Hello guys, to another After Effects tutorial. Today we're gonna learn how to key out the black screen footages in After Effects. So the first thing, we're gonna import a background. Then import our footage. Go to Effects and Presets and search for Linear Color Key. Drag and drop on top of our layer, then put the background color, then adjust a few settings in our effects controls, something like let's make it 0, 11, that's right for our footage. Cool, so let's jump to the other trick. Let's duplicate the layer of our footage and make it screen. We have to remove those black dots in our footage. So let's do some rotor brush. So take our umbrella and adjust the rotor brush for it. Adjust the edges. So let's enable the layer above and do some masking on our umbrella. Okay. Duplicate the layer again, drag and drop on top of other layers, and remove the rotor brush and adjust it, then make a mask for it. Cool. So let's see the preview of our new video. Thank you guys for watching and see you in another tutorial.